So if you didn't know it, these dealership markups and price gouging and everything, I mean, there is a long history to this. But somebody who has been doing this and getting away with it, and just nobody's really done, like, they haven't said anything, no, haven't caught a bunch of crap about it, and it's just been this oddly accepted thing. And it's a one manufacturer that nobody really beats up on, right? So who am I talking about? Well, let's find out. Where am I at right now? Oh, no, not Lexus, not BMW, not Mercedes. Nope, not them. This Mercedes pretty nice. But this. Porsche. I'm talking Porsche, right? Porsche. They have been getting away with overcharging sometimes double what the MSRP of these special vehicles are. And by special, I mean a 911 like GT3, right? Which is honestly not that special. But one that I'm going to show you here in a second is the 911 Turbo S, right? It's a nice vehicle, but the price tag that they're charging, and keep in mind, this is a certified used one. Got a nice Panamera right there, pretty sweet. 911 Turbo S. So right here we've got a 2022. And it is a good looking car right here. We got a twin turbocharged inline 6-cylinder. This one has the PDK 8-speed transmission or dual clutch. And it is a very nice car, right? Convertible, beautiful convertible. I love that color. I can't recall what the name of that color is, but it is very good looking. You know that this thing is going to handle like an absolute animal. It's just awesome. That wing with the downforce back there. I absolutely love this car. So please don't think that I'm coming here and just bitching about, oh, Porsche sucks, right? It's the furthest thing from sucking. But here's the problem. This vehicle cost $189,000 brand new. This is a certified pre-owned 2022 model. They're charging $262,000 for this vehicle. And they're probably going to get it, unfortunately. And that's what I'm saying is Porsche has produced such low numbers on these cars that basically you are going to have to pay whatever they ask. And that is not very cool of them, in my opinion. So yeah, Porsche has gotten away with being able to pretty much charge double for their 911s. And they have done this since I have been into cars. Seriously, like 20 some odd years. I was living in Honolulu, Hawaii, and I looked up a GT3 that was on its way. And even back then, there was a $125,000 market adjustment on it. And this was like, 2009 or something stupid, 2010 time frame. And it's just gotten worse from there. But yeah, this one over here, right? It's used. It's a 2022, and they're charging $80,000 over MSRP for it. And that's just, I don't know, man. Like, it's frustrating. These luxury manufacturers and people just expect this and they accept it. I don't know why. Like, why would you be like, oh well, it's a Porsche, I guess I got to pay double, right, for a 911 if I want one, and that's just okay. Yeah, you might be a rich person, and money might not be that much of an object for you, but that is not the problem here. The problem is just taking advantage of the public, having absolutely no buyer protections or consumer protections, and people just doing nothing about it. Like, I've literally took a manufacturer to court in the past, and I freaking lost. because there was basically no consumer protections, and I was told just to eat shit and leave, and I had to pay the court costs. And I was like, wow, man. So not only did somebody like basically steal the vehicle that I ordered and waited around for a year and a half for, they took my money, and now I took them to court to hold them accountable for the crime, and the court told me tough shit, and I had to pay the court fees. So that was my consumer protections. And that's the problem. That is what this problem is, and this manufacturer is one of the absolute worst about that. So do yourself a favor and maybe don't buy any 911s. And if you do, don't pay over MSRP for it. And before you know it, if everybody does that, you might start to see some discounts on 911s, and Porsche might actually step in and do something about their dealerships, literally just raking people over the coals for any worthwhile vehicle. And their answer to it was buy something else. Okay, yeah. This person that's going to shop a 911 is just going to go buy your frickin' Macan, buddy. Yeah, no thanks. Sorry for the rant.